swimming. Of course our baby's gonna love the hot springs. Look at how cute you are. See the nice rolls?
Where? You're not very fat. You're so skinny.
What do you think, baby? Hi. Hi. He's kicking, jumping on me.
Yeah. He's ready to party.
Hi. What do you think?
You're pretty happy in there, bud? You ready to go off the diving board?
Yes. Ready to go swimming all by myself. All by myself. His cute little arms.
Show us his skinny belly. Doesn't look that big from here.
No, it looks pretty little.